Hello, my sparkling souls. Welcome to my new channel, TT Trines, a mystical journey of spiritual awakening. Myself, Tina Thakkar, introducing as a spiritual guide, a vlogger, an astropsychic healer, a tarot card reader with an ability to visualize with some logical thinking. Today, I would introduce on this festive occasion of 9 colors, 9 days, 9 energies, 9 planets, and this interesting topic now rasa. Now means nine, and rasa in Sanskrit means the essence. In English, also, there are different ways like juice, nectar, the taste. Rasa is in everything, or should I say, everything is in rasa. So it has some higher and lower vibrational essence. It is also an invisible substance, but it also has true meaning to it. तो आज हम देखने वाले हैं 9 days का 9 रसा. These 9 rasas in Indian aesthetics, it has a many importance meaning to it. It is the backbone of everything. बहुत सारे शास्त्र में यू कैन से इन डांस, म्यूजिक, थिएटर, लिटरेचर, इन सब में ये 9 इमोशंस को यूज किया है, whether it is in dance, whether it is in the scriptures of India. So in association with this Indian theory of these emotional essence in arts, crafts, or music, or scriptures, I'm introducing this new series in relationship with colors. Now these have this intuitive ability to respond that can be encoded in our cultural environment, also which builds in our individual experiences. These experiences can, or in relation with colors, can be positive, can be negative, but on this basis, we can have a study that helps to map our emotions, also to have reactions to these colors. Now let us see the now rasa introduced in this today's topic is Shringar, Hasya, Karuna, Rodra, Veer, Bhayanak, Bibhasya, Adbhuta, and Shantras. In sync with that, today I'm going to bifurcate with 3 topics, that is Shringar or love, Hasya or laughter, or Karuna, that is sorrow. So from the Nav Rasa, let us begin with the first one is love or Shringar, which means love or attractiveness. The preceding deity is Lord Vishnu. Now this word Shringar is in Sanskrit, it means love, romance, decoration, beauty, attractiveness, and aesthetic sense. Now this Shringar word can also give rise to all kinds of love. It can be romantic love, it can be love between a parent and children, it can be devotional love, it can be love between a human being and a pet. It can be spiritual love. So these are all kinds of rasa also. According to me, most of the time the Shringar ras, it takes during the onset of puberty. Let us see how. Now during this, especially during adolescence, these teenagers, they go through a lot of body physical changes, emotionally, mentally, physically, and they want more attraction, they want more attention, they want more love, they want more care, and due to this they feel that something is missing, kuch adhura sa hai. In that time they feel sad, depression mein chale jate hain. They feel that nobody is noticing me, nobody is loving me. And that's how, this means that Shringar is also a kind of beautification to please, to have this attention, to attract from their beloved. For example, कि हम लोग जब भी college के बाद हम लोग ऐसे अपने, you're going to tuitions, or you're going to some classes, or you're going to college, and especially when the mother says okay, go to your classes and all, but you have some kind of crush in your school time or college time, and you want to impress your crush, so you kind of add some beauty, you have some gloss, you put on some makeup to attract the opposite partner. So this also kind of feeling is the Shringar ras. Now let us see in Indian mythology, Lord Krishna And also, Lord Rama also had this kind of Shringar Ras. For example, Ras Leela mein, whatever the Krishna Bhagwan played this traditional story of dance with their friends, it was also a kind of Shringar Ras. Now, just as the Indian mythology, even in Western culture, in English it means romance. It is the foundation of a man and woman with a relationship that brings warmth and security in a relationship. Even God showed that Shringar had a divine feeling to it. Shringar means, paying attention to smallest details like, choti choti barikiya, neatness, tidiness. For example, har ghar mein, especially women, they want to have their house very neat, very clean. They want to have this home decor. Now, Shringar also implies that we must have the sense of beauty, that beauty is not just here and there. The beauty is everywhere and we should enjoy that beauty in others. For example, phoolon mein, the smallest things and perfumes, colors. Now, Shringar is, into everything to life. It is the ultimate rasa. It is the king and queen of that emotion and that rasa. Also, like it is a creative play between Shiva and the Shakti, the sun and the moon, the yin and the yang. Now, this whole purpose of the universe is to experience that divine love, that it exists in everything. Shringar is also depicted by green color. Now, green is obtained by mixing yellow and blue. The Bible meaning of green is also immortality. Now, in Islamic culture, you must have seen that the mosque exteriors and the interiors, the carpet, the flag is also green in color because they believed that it was the color of paradise. Also, it was their Muhammad Prophet's favorite color. Also, you must have noticed that in Martian culture, post-marriage, they wear this green chura, the green bangles. The reason is that it is the color of Shringar. It is the color of their new beginnings, of new life. It is the color of fertility. The green color is also symbolic of resurrection and also of spring. Especially you must have seen जब बारिश होती है, the whole mother earth is full of green, full of हरियाली around. Now in Indian culture, green represents new beginnings of harvest and happiness. This color signifies of growth. It stabilizes the mind. It represents the mystical nature that everything is there in the smallest part of nature. It is also a soothing color to the eyes and to the soul. It is the color of fertility, of life and death. The second ras is the joy or Hasya ras. Hasya represents laughter, comedy. The deity is Paramatma, the universal light. Hasya ras is essential part of life. Or you can say, what is life without laughter? Now, Hasya ras is divided into two kinds. Atmastha or the self-based or Parastha based on others. When we laugh on our own selves, on our own mistakes or on our own jokes, it is called Atmastha Hasya ras. When we make others laugh, that is called Parastha Hasya ras. Laughter often, it offers a number of positive and organic effects on a human body, like it reduces cravings, it makes people more resistant to pain, it reduces the stress, the pressure, it also increases the flexibility of the muscles. Now, the psychological and physical relaxation of laughter is just generated. It cannot be replaced by any tons of money. कोई पैसा नहीं खरीद सकता है. Now, it draws our attention from the things like anger, guilt, stress, all these kind of negative emotions. That is why we say that laughter is the best medicine. It also draws our attention away from these negative emotions. Also, it allows to, help us to see difficult situations with a new perspective. And that is what we are lacking in this current situation. Yeah, the current pandemic situation is so stressful, but this Hasya ras is, I believe that we are all missing in today's world. I think we should incorporate in our daily lives And that is why when we say laughter is the best medicine, yes, it does help to reduce our stress, day to day needs, day to day lives. Now, also because of laughter, it is contagious. It helps to, introduce ourselves with others. It helps to connect with others. It also helps to have a healthy environment. It also creates a bond with better relationship with others. Just like when we are, looking at the laughter club, when they are laughing, we also feel like laughing over it. Or when someone shares a joke, we also have this humor connect with them. So it has a very positive aspect in many levels. This ras connects you to humor, happiness, contentment. It is the extension of what you feel within love. This ras is also that joy that comes from within, what we feel that life is really good. Now, humor is the most typical expression that we cause joy in others. Now, let us see that, for example, childhood. You see that children are always happy, they're full of joy, they are so wonderful, they are always laughing, especially babies, they are in their own world. So this kind of emotion is very beautiful. Now, the negative aspect is the moment when we have this intellect start intervening. That is not the humor, then that becomes a little sarcasm. However, it's not always the case. Now, pure hasya is this real happiness which comes from within, just without any reason. And that when we feel like God or life is so kind and beautiful. Now, this joy is like a divine or an expression of a divine bliss. Now, humor is such a powerful tool against sadness and against fear, anger. But always we need to remember this powerful mantra that solves any kind of problem. Now, the Hasya Rasa is denoted by white color. The white color is the eighth color. Now, we have the 7 colors of rainbow, beautiful colors, and this white is the 8th color, the Atwa Rang. It has dimension of life and beyond. It is colorless, the absence of no color, but still it makes white because at the same time, all these colors are included in this universal light. So when you extract or refract those colors and separate them, the 7 of them, you have this white color which has an impact on you. This impact is just pure natural joy, and it is a reward of this beautiful miracle of life. Karuna Ras or sadness, it represents tragedy, compassion. The preceding deity is Yama and the color is grey. Now this rasa is full of sadness, which is the highest form of compassion. Pity and sadness are born out of ignorance and attachments. The highest form of compassion, but the true meaning in Sanskrit means sadness. Now the more popular meaning in all forms of expressions you will find in arts, literature, theatre. Now sadness is a feeling that comes and goes, but we have to understand that we need to let go of all the attachments. But in pity, we forget that other people's problems are essentially and the same as our own. Now sadness is the key ingredient of compassion. We feel sorry for others without feeling sorry or any better than them. We may experience the highest karuna. Now, true compassion is without any discrimination. It can be felt in all forms of humans, animals, plants, enemies. Now, this makes us very kind person, and our act of extending loving kindness to every being, whoever we meet. The Dalai Lama is a good example of compassion and discipline. The Christianity cross is a powerful symbol of karuna, suffering out of compassion for others, mastering sadness. Now we need to directly understand that this sadness is a feeling that comes and goes, especially in 2 phases of life. One is in adolescence sometimes, and most of the times it is in old age. This is a time when one feels neglected and tries to produce pity in others. Loneliness is a major cause of karuna. Especially when one gets older, sadness becomes more of wanting strength, lack of beauty, lack of achievements, life becomes a whole meaningless. Karuna Ras is depicted in grey color. It is an intermediate color between black and white. It is a neutral and balanced color. This is color of maturity, experience like graying hair, discipline. It's also like dark clouds. The positive aspect is conservative, it is sophisticated color. It lacks the negativity of black color. The light grays can also carry the attributes of white color. It is also timeless, practical color. It's the dark charcoal communicates with some sort of strength, some sort of mystery of black. The negative aspect is it is very dull, lack of emotions, moody, it is full of dirty, dingy, dullness. This is the attributes of grey color. To understand this basic human emotions and human psychology, I'm sharing my email address below to stay connected for consultations. Like the video, but also love yourself. Share and subscribe this channel so that you can redesign and awaken your life ahead. Hit the bell icon so that you can stay connected for the other series of this video in continuation with some interesting and exciting topic ahead. Signing out, stay safe, stay blessed, stay happy, attitude of gratitude.